if you think about the things that UK businesses are struggling with right now, I think one of them is productivity. So clearly digital has a very large impact on that. I mean, yes, new automation, new robotics are very important to manufacturers, but it's not just about new capital equipment. Data is the new currency. The right data from the shop floor, from the machines, from the devices, they'll inform us on when machines are going to break down. They'll inform us on when suppliers are definitely going to deliver. They'll help us be more productive as individuals. They'll help us achieve our human potential. So there's a big part that just data has to play in that. And the more you can get close to real-time data, real-time visibility of what's going on in your business, not just in your business, but in your partners and your suppliers' business, and your entire ecosystem, then that gives you the buffer that you're looking for against the uncertainties, because we don't really know what's going to happen post-Brexit. I think the other area that we should look at as well is regulation. We were certainly all reminded this year with GDPR about the importance of how well we look after our customers' data. And I think for CIOs and IT directors, those ramifications are still ongoing, because it's not just in the primary customer CRM system, it's actually all the other 15 other systems where you've replicated that information. So that's having far-reaching impact in larger organizations. I think there are three ways in which customers are using digital. I think one of them is around the customer, another one is around their plant and their production, and at least the third one is around supply chain. I'm sure there are many other ways as well. I think as far as the customer is concerned, the experience is now the new selling. We talk about servitization a lot and how customers are moving from a product-centric world to a service-centric world. And that really applies to many companies. Use digital to think about what you're trying to achieve as a business. Are you trying to optimize existing business processes, or are you trying to transform? Are those objectives in line with your business objectives? So, for example, if there's a digital project there that helps you optimize and save money, are you already very efficient? Is saving a few more percentage points going to really do anything? Or should you focus your digital initiatives more on how will you attract the next customer? How will you keep the customer? How will you drive more loyalty from the customer? How will you find new customers on a global stage? Maybe your digital initiatives should be in a different direction. So, think more in terms of what makes you attractive to a customer. Why would they buy from you? Yeah, it's a fascinating time to be in manufacturing and to be talking about new technologies. The pace of change is just incredible. What excites me most? The amazing stories that I learn from our customers every day. I was at another customer recently where they've got a pilot project on the running now. It's an elevator manufacturer, and they're using mixed and augmented reality in a field service world. So imagine the engineer has never been to this particular elevator before. They're using the goggles to actually educate themselves before they get there in terms of what they're going to find when they get there. And then when they're on site, they're using them again because it will step you through the safety and also the maintenance processes. And if you don't know how to change that PCB board, there'll be a little video with a click of a button to help you do that. So, it's helping with productivity, it's helping with security, it's helping with safety. It's making the service engineer's life more satisfying and more enjoyable. So there's no end to the possibilities that we see out there. Nothing that we've talked about today is technologies that are next year's technologies. They're all available in the marketplace today. It really is only a matter of how manufacturers choose to use them to solve particular business issues.